Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by preparing the iPad so the update goes smoothly. Make sure your model meets the new wallpaper feature and that you meet the iPad OS version requirement. This prevents wasted steps. Next, back up to iCloud or to your computer using Finder. Once done, power considerations matter, so keep the battery above 50% or plug in. Finally, connect to stable Wi-Fi, open Settings, tap General, then Software Update, and tap Download and Install to begin the process. Now you'll handle the install and immediate configuration. Allow the download to complete. If storage is tight, delete unused apps or files to free space because large updates can stall. When the installer prompts, choose Install Now, the iPad will restart and apply changes, so keep it connected to power. Once the update finishes, go to Settings, Wallpaper. You can preview the new wallpaper types such as Live, Photo, or Dynamic. Select your preferred option and set it for lock screen, home screen, or finish by fine-tuning and testing the new wallpaper. Adjust perspective, depth, or motion settings, and use pinch or drag to position the image so it looks right in real use. Then set alternatives for dark mode or assign wallpapers per focus filter so your lock screen and home screen match your workflow. If the update fails or the wallpaper won't apply, restart and retry. If that doesn't work, try recovery mode on a computer. And as a last resort, restore from the backup you made earlier.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.